Question: in what way was the administration of the company different from that of Indian rulers? Answer: किस तरह से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिफरेंट थी इंडियन रूलर्स से ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी? Answer: the administration of company was different from that of Indian rulers in the following way. In following paper, administration different. Company administration of company was different from rulers से in तरीकों से. First, the company divides its administrative units called presidencies. The company divide किया था presidencies में administrative units को. They were three presidencies. वो three presidencies थी: Bengal, Madras and Bombay. वो Bengal, Madras और Bombay थी. In India, districts by the main administrative units. This India में districts the main administrative units थे. Second, each presidency was ruled by governor. डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंसी में गवर्नर के रूल करता था. डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स बाय रूल बाय द कलेक्टर. डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स रूल करते थे कलेक्टर. थर्ड पार्ट, द सुप्रीम हेड ऑफ द कंपनी वाज गवर्नर जनरल. सुप्रीम हेड ऑफ कंपनी कौन था? गवर्नर जनरल. बट इन इंडिया द हेड ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट वाज ए किंग. जो इंडिया में कौन था एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हेड था? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट का हेड था किंग, बादशाह था. फोर्थ, द main job of the governor general was to introduce administrative reforms, while the main job of the collector was to collect revenue and taxes and maintain law and order in his district. The supreme head of the company was governor general. Supreme head governor general था supreme head. But in India में the head of administration was king था. Fourth part, the main job of the governor general was to introduce administrative reforms. Administrative reforms था उनका main purpose. जॉब का main काम था. तो ज़रूरी काम था. Collect revenue and taxes and maintain law and order in his district. Taxes करने थे, revenue collect करने थे, law and order district में रखने के लिए.